Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you the story of Tenali Rama and the Golden Mangoes. King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar was known for his wisdom, valor, and above all his generosity. One day, a rich but aging woman named Rajma came to the court with a large sack. She bowed before the king and said, Maharaj, I have no children or heirs. I wish to donate all my wealth to a temple. Feed the poor in your name. Please accept this offering. The king, who was touched by her devotion, accepted it gratefully. When the sack was opened, everyone gasped. It was filled with golden mangoes, each solid gold and perfectly crafted. That evening, the palace buzzed with whispers. But 2 days later, the king received a strange visitor, Rajma's nephew, Bhaskar. Maharaj, Bhaskar said bitterly, my aunt was strict. Those golden mangoes were meant for her family. She was forced to donate them by a greedy priest who claimed it was the only way to reach heaven. The king was stunned. But she came here willingly, he said. Bhaskar scoffed. She is afraid to speak the truth, but I swear her donation was made under pressure. The court was divided. Some thought Rajma had acted on her own free will. Others believed Bhaskar. Unsure whom to trust, the king turned to his court jester and trusted advisor, Tenali Rama. Tenali bowed and said, Maharaj, give me 3 days. I shall uncover the truth, not with swords or spies, but with a story. The next morning, Tenali Rama visited Rajma at her home. She was sipping buttermilk and reading holy texts. He bowed and said, Rajma Amma, your generosity has brought glory to the empire. I have come to offer you a gift from the king. Her eyes lit up. Oh, what is it? Tenali held out a mango, a real, ripe mango this time, not gold. This mango was plucked from the royal gardens today. It is said to bring health and blessings. But there's a catch. Rajma looked curious. A catch? Tenali nodded. You must eat it while hanging upside down from a tree. It is ritual blessing newly discovered by the court priest. Only then will its power activate. Rajma looked horrified. Hang upside down? At my age? I'll break my back. Tenali sighed. But surely you would do this much to reach heaven? Rajma frowned. Heaven doesn't ask for such foolishness. Tenali smiled. Exactly what I thought. But didn't you donate all of your gold mangoes to a man who said that alone would ensure you a place in heaven? Her face reddened. She looked away. Rajma Amma, Tenali said gently, did you truly donate the gold willingly? Tears welled in her eyes. No, the priest scared me. He said my dead husband was suffering in the afterlife. He said I had to pay gold mangoes to free his soul. I was terrified. Tenali patted her shoulder. That priest fooled you. Fear is not faith. Let me set this right. The next day, Tenali Rama invited the court priest, Rajma, and Bhaskar to the royal court. Maharaj, Tenali said, Rajma has had a vision. Her husband came to her in her dream. He said he's still trapped in the afterlife because she donated the wrong kind of mangoes. The priest looked uneasy. What nonsense is this? Tenali held up a golden mango. Apparently, the gods now want platinum mangoes. Only those will release her husband's soul. Rajma played along, crying dramatically. Oh, what have I done? If only I had more platinum. Bhaskar chuckled, catching on to Tenali's plan. Tenali turned to the priest. Surely, as the one who advised her before, you should now return these useless golden mangoes so she can offer proper ones. The priest looked trapped. But the gold is already melted. Tenali grinned. That's strange. Just yesterday I saw a goldsmith carting away mango-shaped gold dumps from your home. Now the priest was sweating. The king's eyes narrowed. Tenali added, Maharaj, If he truly believed in the ritual, he'd take back the gold and help her find the right offering. But this priest played on her fear and for his gain. The king stood in fury. "You dare rob an old widow in my name?" The priest stammered but couldn't defend himself. He was immediately stripped of his title and ordered to return the gold. Rajma's mangoes were restored and she was given a monthly pension by the king. That evening, King Krishnadevaraya laughed heartedly. "Tenali, only you could expose a lie with a fruit." Tenali bowed. "Maharaj, even a golden mango cannot buy heaven, but truth, when served with wisdom, can feed justice." So the moral of the story is that true faith is not built on fear, and wisdom is often the best form of justice. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such fascinating stories. Bye bye, and see you all very soon in my next video.